All right, check it out, guys. We got another one. It's a super cab. We're gonna take a walk around this thing, give you a little heads up on what we got here. So it's as you can see, it's a Ford super cab. It's the Ranger XLT. It's a 1976 with a 390 auto two-wheel drive. Trailer edition. It has this fifth wheel that's been bolted down in there for a long time. Had a piece of plywood in the bed. We ripped that up. We were really anxious, so as soon as we got it off the trailer, we got it in the shop and we got that plywood up out of there. Check that bed. It is a Midwestern truck. You know, there's some holes, but it's to be expected. This is a 43-year-old truck that's been in the Midwest for its whole life, as far as we know. I bought it off of the third owner, but it was all in the same family, had been passed down. And with the way things are today, he said he's relocating to a new city and he couldn't take it with him. He really didn't want to sell it. He was very reluctant, but we managed to get it off of him. It has a really cool interior. It's a very rare option of the rumble seat. It doesn't have the bench like most of these trucks did. This one has the rumbles, which are in really good shape and cool as heck. Just cool as heck. The interior is super clean. The headliner, super clean. The only downfall on the dash is that I guess it had a fire. So I'll show you that. I guess this is common. If you guys are watching this and you repaired that before, feel free to leave a comment. Who's got the heater box that's worth putting back in here? Vintage AC. This is a 45,000 mile truck. The title says 45,000 flat, and it's got a date of 2006, and it has 45,638 miles now. So since 06, it's been driven 638 miles, if you can believe that. I'm having a hard time believing it, but man, I'm excited for it, that's for sure. This thing, as you can see, is clean. Underneath the doors, there's a little surface rust. There's no holes. The rockers are all great. It does have a couple little spots that we're gonna fix. It's got a hole about fist size and about the exact same spot on the other side. But other than that, man, we're super stoked with it. There's gonna be a lot more to come on the channel. And we're still working on Project Shitbox. We've been needing to get some new tools like this right here, this brake bend, pan and box brake bender. We needed to make some clean stuff for the cab on this Project Shitbox. Yeah, we're still ticking along, but it's a big project. So to fill the intermediate time, we're gonna get this thing going and clean it up and get it back on the road, guys. This is exciting. Super cab.